Hello everybody. Well, it's 2 weeks now since my last video update on the new T-Mobile 5G 4G LTE cell phone tower that's going in. And as you can see from my last video, they've now completed the building infrastructure for the tower equipment. The tower will be right there, but it's not quite been brought in yet. But it is still just now coming up to June 1st tomorrow. So the tower is not supposed to be set to launch and go online until July. But this is what it's looking like here for the new 5G T-Mobile cell phone tower here in Redmond, Oregon.